In this video, I'll show you how to use Payhip to sell digital products. So first things first, let's actually go to Payhip, and you can just Google search it and go to the option that says payhip.com, create a free website and sell online. And now we can get started free of charge. So let's put in our email address and then click on get started for free. Now we need to fill in the more obvious information, first name, last name, email address, and then create a password. You will also get the reCAPTCHA, so tick on that and create your account. All right, first thing we need to do is give our store a name. Make sure it's something unique so that it hasn't already been chosen, and then hit continue. And now our account has been created. So let's add our first product. So we'll click over here and we'll click on add a product. And then you can choose whatever product you want to sell. I'll just say a digital product. And now I need to upload my product file. Of course, this is going to be different depending on what you're selling. And let that finish uploading. I need to set my price and set the title. Then I need to upload a product image. Since this is not a real product, I'll just use our logo. Put in the description of your product and try to be as descriptive as possible. Now you would leave yours as visible or at least unlisted so you could give specific people the link. But I'm going to go with invisible because I'm not actually trying to sell anything. Then we're going to click on add product, and there we go. We are done putting our product up. You can go over to the page if you want to using this link, and that is what our product page looks like. All right, let's go back to the dashboard. Next stop, as you can see here, is to set up our checkout. So you can connect PayPal or Stripe. Unfortunately for Stripe users, I use PayPal. So I'll click on connect. Then I need to put in my PayPal email address. I need to again put in my PayPal details and hit next. Then I need to choose business PayPal or personal PayPal. I don't have a business PayPal, so I'm going to go with the personal account. Click on that and then hit next. Click allow, and there we go. Now I'm going to return to Payhip. All right, so that is now set up. We just want to put in our statement description. Can be anything you want, and then save settings. And my keyboard battery just died. Nice. Hit save settings. Let's go back to the dashboard. And lastly, this one's not really integral to the purpose of this video, but customize your store design. So click on that and then click on customize design. And this part is fully up to you. Customize your header by clicking on the left-hand side here. Your About Me section, I'd say that's very important. And you can add more sections as you please. Lastly is your footer. And when you're done, just click on Publish on the top right. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.